Hi, this is Rich Bucola here in New York City, and today on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to stuff a tomato. Alright, for storage, just like something like this, I have them on a plate. The old Saran Wrap, baby, nothing better. Keeps them looking nice, you see what you have there. That's why I love Saran Wrap, you can always just see. And storage, these in the refrigerator will stay good for at least a week. Oh, when I say a week, 5 days. But honestly, they shouldn't. They should go faster than that because everyone will love them and eat them. So, with that said, you have also some of the stuffing was left over. Again, quick recipe. You could heat up some pasta. Throw a little, drain your pasta. Add a little olive oil. Heat this up in the microwave. Add it to your pasta. And you'll have another meal. Or go out and buy some more tomatoes and you have your mix already made. So there's a quick recipe for this stuffing. It's awesome. Put this in your refrigerator as well. It will last about 4 to 5 days. That's about it. I hope you guys cook this. I love cooking with you guys every day. And my name is Richard Bucola. And on behalf of Expert Village, thank you for watching.